Hindi ka makakit dyan, boy. Ew! Hindi rin makakit. Here we go! Wow! Wow, this is cute! Hi everyone! Today we're on our way to Dreamworld, Australia. Let's see what we can do. Nakahanap kami ng sale, nakachamba kami ng sale na $99 lang. Unlimited na siya for 12 months. Nakikita niyo yung mga ilaw na yan, guys. Pagkagabi may ilaw yan, tapos nakasulat dyan Gold Coast. Basang-basa yung sign niya na Gold Coast. Yan, ganito yung traffic dito. Kung sa Pinas to, punong-puno yan ng mga tricycle, motor, yan. Tapos may tumatawid-tawid. Tapos may ano pa, siga ng kalsada. Ang e-bike. Gutom na.
No, I'm not gutom. Gusto kong umihi.
Grabing pantog yan. Wala pang 30 minutes.
Puno na.
Oh my goodness, everyone!
We hope you had a fantastic remove day.
There you go. Oh my god.
Ayaw ko lang sumakay dyan.
I'm gonna ride on that. I can do it.
Hindi na ako sasakay dyan.
Oh my goodness. I mean, I'm not sure. Can I change my mind? Oh my goodness. There's a Lego house. I'm gonna go inside that. It's 12 months.
Wala na ba dito?
Unlimited pass. Unlimited entry. Anytime. Dito na kami. Kaso, nagugutom pa sila. Ayan ang mga kasama. Grabe. Pag alis namin, napakalamig. Pagdating namin dito, tignan mo naman, tirik na tirik yung araw. Pagbalik namin, grabing init. Hindi ka makakit dyan, boy. Ew! Hindi rin makakit. I feel ko ako makakaakit dyan. Can you hold my phone for a while? Let's see, guys. Parang dito pa lang, nag-rides na kami.
Ihi ako.
Ang hirap. Oh, wala sa akin. Mataas yan sa personal. Huwag kayong judgmental. The moment of truth, guys. Welcome to, what do you call it? Dreamworld, Australia. So this is my brother behind me. He's filming while I'm filming myself. Bakit kailangan naka-black? Hindi ko rin alam ba't naka-dark kami lahat eh. Dito ako ngayon mag-isa, nag-aantay. Mga kasama ko nasa toilet lahat. Ayan na siya! Wala yung kapatid ko. Ni-instruct si ma'am. I-cross daw yung leg. Kamusta ang mga pantog niyo?
Baka ano na siya. Baka hindi na niya.
Ito na yung mga pass namin.
Look at mine.
Yan.
Yo,
Where's your pass?
look, yeah?
Bro, add some brightness. So dark. Digital pass. I'm so glad it's not that crowded.
23rd of May, 26th, 25th.
Hey. Thank you. Easy, right? Easy pass. Here we go! Wow! Grabe, ngayon, noon kung kami pa bata, siguro, dali, punta kayo doon. Ngayon naman ako na, go. Hey, where's my phone? Can you take my photo?
Just like this?
Bro, yeah, can you move a little bit here? Make it sana.
Sa pamagalaw ka.
Ayan na! Is that your favorite pose for mom? Cross legs.
One more.
Ano ba to? Ano bang meron dito?
40 daw.
Hindi ko alam, sa mama lang. I'm completely clueless what's going on here. But I hope it's nice. Pabili.
May iPhone 13, may iPhone 16, may 17, may 15.
Kakalabas lang namin dito sa Sky Voyager. So good, as in amazing talaga. Sobra. Very high-tech. Nagpunta kami sa iba't ibang bansa, especially Canada. We saw the Niagara Falls. The best. Tingin daw muna sila dito sa may shop ng mga...
Oh,
Very nice. Oh my God.
R.
Ay, favorite ni Yumi yan. Kung nandito si Yumi, magugustuhan niya to. Wow, this is cute. That's so cool. We're now entering Rivertown. I don't know what's in here, but it seems fun though. Let's go. Is that a snake? Yeah, it is.
Wala, ang laki naman niya.
I know, right?
Hello guys. I think that is beautiful. Yeah, I think.
Can you take me a photo as well?
With this?
No, not.
Yeah, can you?
I think someone can see us inside this, behind this mirror. I reckon someone can see us behind this mirror.
You reckon?
Yeah, I reckon.
Yeah.
Yeah? Baka hanapin nila tayo kung nasan tayo.
Sabihin mo lang nandito tayo, Rivertown, pasok lang sila. Isa lang dapat. Ito.
Hindi ko alam kung saan to. Oh my gosh, there's a roller coaster! There! I wanna try that one.
Mamaya, nandun muna tayo. Dito muna tayo mag-umpisa sa warm up ba? Mababa lang. Tapos tamang pagkasunod na.
Here we go.
Ay!
Oh my god. Sasakay kami dito sa Flying Fiesta. Flying Fiesta tawag sa Pinas pero dito hindi ko alam kung ano.
Ano po? Flying Tesla?
Tesla? Ano yung lumilipad na Tesla?
Kaya nga ano yun?
Sa ano yun? EK? Sa Enchanted?
Ano pangalan nito?
Dito hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan yan. Sa Pinas, dun sa may EK, Flying Fiesta yan.
Flying?
Fiesta.
Akala ko. Ano yun?
Pero mas malaki yun yung sa EK, mas mataas dyan. I feel like I'm so dehydrated right now. Flying Tesla. Oh my god, it's getting higher. We're gonna get in.
I know, but anyway, that's what.
For a party.
Oh,
Yeah.
where we putting stuff?
Do you wanna film, nerd? No, I'm not. Oh, here we go. Yo. Ayan na. Dito. Tingin.
Something like that.
Naipit. Bro, you dumb. Yeah, oh, this one. Sorry. Unfortunately, guys, they didn't allow us to film while we're riding on that thing. But it's fine. It was good. How's flying? I know. Gusto ko naman mag-roller coaster. I will never. Oh my gosh, never in my life. I'm not gonna do that.
Round 3.
I'm ready since yesterday.
Since yesterday, since the other day, since last week. The day we bought the tickets,
How many pa oh? Ilang batch pa to?
I was ready
It's
already.
gonna take us a long time.
So this is what we're gonna look like later. What's the deal? Riding on a tower?
Yeah.
Remote tower? No. Yet. I won. We're not going. We're next. I'm not sure if we're allowed to film while we're riding this. Is it fine? Sorry. It's not bad, guys. Ang sakit lang sa tenga. Ang sakit sa ganito. Di ba? Humampas sa tenga.
Gumagano no?
Ang ginawa ko, nilabas ko yung ulo ko dun sa may...
Ginanong ko.
Hindi, lalo na pag hiniga mo, lalong humahampas.
Ang hirap pagka nakalabas ulo. Parang mapupugot yung ulo.
Oo, iman sa mapupugot sa ulo. What's next?
Naiili ako. Iili mo na tayo.
Time check, it's already 4. It's alright for $6. I mean, it's not worth it for $6. It should be like 3 only. Wow. Amazing. Filipino spaghetti. Oh, you want to try this? Kaya pala lumalamig na. Halos maubos ko na tong raspberry. Ilan lang nasakyan natin? 3? Ang laki dito. Naubos oras mo sa haba ng pila. Tignan mo naman yung tsura mo dyan. Saan ka nakatigil?
Di mo naman kasi sinasabi.
Sino kausap ko? Hangin. Sarap, lamig. Lamig na rin ng panahon. Ang lamig niya. Okay. Ito na. Ito yung next namin sasakyan, guys. Nag-start pa lang yan. Hanggang dun pa yan sa dulo. What's the next one, guys? Oh my God.
Pero mababa lang ko kaya.
Yabang nila, oh. Parang di sila titili mamaya, oh. Grabe yung bilog na yun. Hindi ko na-expect ganun siya ka-wild. It was fun, but
Para akong bumabalik sa yung siguro ako.
it's nice. I liked it.
Ganda ng bihi tayo.
Masaya yung bata. Seriously, it was really tough. Oh my gosh.
Parang hinalo pa yung tiyan ko.
Hala, ano yan? Na zombie?
Parang hinahalo kayo ng
Oh, night marker's nearly open.
Yun na. Ganda di. Ayan, biglang lumina.
Lumapit ka kasi. Takot yan sa tao eh. Nard, what's up?
Nakatapos na
I passed out.
Sabay. Patay ka?
Really? How?
Paano?
Pagtingin ko sa kanya ng hindi ka pinakataas kasi ikot. Pagtingin ko sa kanya sa taas.
Bumantong ako eh.
Ganito lang ako. Sa amin nga nang hina yung mga binting namin. Grabe to.
Paano? Ihit mo na ako. Naiili ako.
It was fun. Time check, it's 5:30 p.m. We're done.
Did you?
Huh?
Did you have fun?
Yeah, I did. Babalik pa kami dito. Kasi hindi pa namin naikot lahat. It's time to go home kasi yung isa naming kapatid pumasok sa work. So, nandun na siya sa bahay. Wala siyang susi.
Show you something.
Hey, sarap buhay.
Leonard, kunin ko lang.
What are you doing? So, for the first experience, it's good. Approve. Did you approve it?
Yeah. Probably say so.
I think I got splinter. There's something in my finger. And I can feel it. very irritating. So, that's pretty much it. Just got home. Mga ganap. Wala na. Siguro hanggang gano'n na lang din talaga. One ride lang yan. Isang ride lang sinakyan nito. It was good. Overall rating. Hindi siya malilibot ng isang araw lang.
Hindi mo masasakyan lahat ng isang araw kasi tagal pumila.
Maybe next week or next balik kami.